Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville espresso machine. Now for this machine we just give it a tune-up, replacing the gasket of the machine, descaling, and just deep cleaning the grinders, especially the burrs. To be precise, we definitely clean everything inside there, remove the burrs and remove all the old coffee of the machine itself. So we're just gonna test it out, starting with one shot of espresso, double shot of espresso to be precise. Then we're gonna use the hot water and then the steam. We are not using the portafilter of the machine or the tamper of the machine, as this machine did not come with one. We are running the grinder on the 5 settings. We're using a medium roast coffee. Let me see if I can tamper correctly with just one hand. Perfect. And now we're gonna do the shot. As you can see, the pressure of the espresso range is going pretty up. We're having a good water flow, probably a detamper a bit too hard, but as you can see, we're having really good crema coming out of the shot, really good flow. I'm going to manually stop it at 2 ounces, as the double button is programmed to be longer, and I will stop it right there. And as you can see, have really good crema, looking excellent. Hot water of the machine working perfectly fine, really good temperature, really good water flow. And now for the steam. As you can see, machine's feeling pretty good, having excellent pressure coming out of the steam one, really good temperature. Now the water pump is pulsating. You can hear how the steam is coming out of the one and how much pressure it has as well. Really good temperature. Excellent. And there you have it. Everybody's press working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.